Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Ariki Bukweri, a student of Civil Engineering Study Program. In this video, I will explain about scientific paper that have been made by my group and related knowledge, skill, and attitude of civil engineering Indonesia. This is an abstract part of a scientific paper that we have made. Civil engineering play an important role in construction, introduced because they have been encouraged to create sustainable world and to enhance the quality of life. In order to play their role successfully, civil engineering need to possess many and varied knowledge and skill, as well as supported by empowering attitudes. This study is aimed to explore the experiences and achievement of attributes of civil engineering based on profile of the 2025 civil engineering that has been launched by American Society of Civil Engineering. The attribute consists of 21 points. Those are organized into the categories of knowledge, skill, and attitude. The research was considered by asking respondents to fill out a questionnaire to assess the importance and performance of each attribute. The data has been collected from 100 practitioners who work in various construction companies in Indonesia. Descriptive studies, importance for performance analysis, and correction analysis have been implemented to analyze the data. The study found communication is considered as the most important attribute and enhances performance. Through the Spearman rank collection analysis show the level of importance and performance have a strong and positive collection. However, the importance and performance level of knowledge about sustainability only in the rank of 6 and 18. This result shows an Indonesian knowledge about sustainability has not been considered important. The introduction. Civil engineering play an important role in people life because it is the field responsible for providing and maintaining physical assets is needed for people daily activities. The construction of buildings, facilities of transportation, system of drainage, and sewage definitely cannot be separated from the role of civil engineering. In addition, several developments such as globalization, sustainability, new technology, and project action and project complexity forward the change of the manner in which civil engineering is implemented. Talking about civil engineering cannot be separated from the role of the civil engineering as the main player in carrying out the civil engineering. Civil engineering play various roles in project supervision, project planning, project management, etc. In order to meet this demand, civil engineering required to have competence in several areas of civil engineering. This competition must be continuously developed along with the development in the construction industry that are changing rapidly. In order to the rapid changing in civil engineering, the American Society of Civil Engineering has publication the civil engineering body knowledge. This body of knowledge determines the breadth and depth of knowledge, skill, and attitude which becomes the recruitment for engineers to involve at the professional level of civil engineering practice in this country. The next literature review. Civil engineering has great and significant effect to people life. The procurement of all facilities for people daily activities such as buildings, transportation facilities, drainage and sewage system involving civil engineering. In order to meet its responsible civil engineering as a person who involve intensively in civil engineering activities has several duties as explained here. 1. Earth surface measuring and mapping, and design and supervise the construction of several constructors such as bridges, tunnels, large buildings, dams, and coastal. Plan, construction, and maintain transportation facilities, design traffic system, plan and buoy river navigation and flood control project, provide water supply and sewage plan and system. Then, change of civil engineering is not only to have competence to meet the current demand of their profession only. Civil engineering realizes that they cannot stay in the current condition because civil engineering changes continuation in many aspects. In order to deal with situation, ISJ had an initiative in conduct the summit on the future civil engineering 2006. The summit attended by civil engineering and engineers from various other disciplines and such as architect, educator, the executive of association and society. Finally, the summit participants identified 21 attributes that are grouped into the categories of knowledge, skill, and attitude. These attributes are presented as follows: knowledge 1. The basic knowledge of engineering such as mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, mechanics, and materials. 2. Design of structure and system. 3. Managing uncertainty and risks. 4. Sustainability and its dimension such as social, economy, and physical. 5. Public policy and public administration, including the process of politics, regulation, laws, and mechanics of funding. 6. The basis of business of such as economic and legal aspect of business, market, and marketing. Social 7. Social sections such as economy, history, and sociology. 8. Ethical behavior that unfolding client confidently, code of ethics and professional responsibility. Next, skill. 1. Implementing tool-based engineering such as statistics, computer modeling, codes and standards, and project monitoring. 2. Mastering new technology to establish effectiveness and efficiency of the efficiency of the communication of efficiency of and efficiency of individual and organization. Communication to the audiences with several different backgrounds, cross, intra and multidisciplinary collaboration, but traditionally and virtual, via managing project to meet budget schedule, and other construction. Seek leader that formulating and articulating environmental issue by practicing inclusive empathy, compassion, persuasive, penalties, be housed, and thinking critically. Next, attitude 1. Entrepreneurships that encourages creative and proactive action through commitments to the action and to the individual and organization goal. 3. Curiosity that encouraging continuous learning and developing. 4. Honesty, integrity, and rigorousness. 5. Optimism, committed, tenacity, and flexible. 6. Respect and tolerance, direct and values of other. 7. Accuracy and self-discipline in keeping and with the imperative of safety, public health, and welfare, as well as interdependence within and between project teams and with project stakeholders. This is research methodology data collection. Next, data analysis. Next, research trending. The data has been collected from 100 civil engineering who works in various construction companies such as contractors, consultants, and suppliers, as well as civil servants and entrepreneurs in construction. Several statistical methods has been implemented to analyze data. Finally, several thresholds have been found, and the finding is presented in the following part. Based on this finding, further and discussion carried out. The next, importance and perform strength. Next, importance and performance. Five. Conclusion. The study found skill and attitude are considered as the components of civil engineering that are more important compared to knowledge. Among 21 attributes of competence, communication is considered the most important. Similarly, to the importance of the competition, the performance of civil engineering in Indonesia also got skill and attribute compared to knowledge. The best configuration also found in communication. The other findings show the importance and performance for all attributes of competition have a strong width association. The EPM shows that attributes of competence are located in accuracy too. That means all of them are right in importance and also high performance. This study compared available construction to the civil engineering education. The higher education institution that offer civil engineering program can consider the finding of this study in their curriculum. The construction company can use the finding of this study to develop the program for human resource development. And then brings to us the end. And that brings us to the end. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.